How to book Uber with car seats. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to book Uber with car seats. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all you have to do is open up your Uber application on your mobile phone. Now select the ride. Then you have to enter your pickup point and your destination point. Once you select your pickup point and your destination, all the rides will be displayed on your screen. Scroll down a bit and make sure that you select the one that says car seat. Search for a few options until you find a ride with car seats. And after you select that, you can book Uber with that car. And that's how you can book Uber with car seats. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe. And do not forget to like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.